welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a simple and delicious recipe, one of Guyana delicacy, also one of my favorite, cassava pone. Cassava pone is well known around the Caribbean and it's a very delicious snack. So let's go. These are the ingredients for the cassava pone. We have the cassava, also known as yuca. We have coconut. The coconut and the cassava were freshly grated. We have raisin, mixed essence, a pinch of salt, freshly grated nutmeg. We have cinnamon. We have sugar, black pepper, evaporated milk. We have butter and baking powder. So let's start the mixing. Okay guys, so let's pour in all of the ingredients. We have the sugar, raisin of course, the salt, guys, all the ingredients will be in the description box. And guys, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Mixed essence. Okay guys, so your mixture should look like this here, a runny consistency. You set your oven at 350. You bake it for 1.5 hours or until golden brown. So let's pour it in. You need to spread it all around. Okay guys, to check to see if it's finished, you want to run your toothpick or your stick or whatever you have to check it to see if it's finished, and it looks like if it's finished here. So okay guys, you take some sugar water and you put it all over your pone to keep the pone moist. Okay guys, this is the end product of this delicious and gooey cassava pone. Guys, please do have a safe and blessed day.